So I have an S5 and I flashed it with Bitmain's firmware, this one specifically. As you see, they have three here, one, two, three. Uh, the file's trunicated. I've notified them of it. They haven't updated it yet. Um, and they have the MD5 sums here. So, as you can see, that one doesn't work. I've already copied this one here. And that one's good. So this MD5 sum's not good for this file. That's how you check that. So what you have to do is go down here to their flashing SD card with image. Anyways, I already have that here. Extract it. You have to do some Windows. Open this. You load the image, and you flash it to a micro SD card. And you pop that into your S5. Turn it on. Wait a couple minutes. Power it off. And power it back on. It should have flashed new firmware in there, and it flashes it as an S3. So you'll need to go back and through here again, flash it with one of the other two newer firmwares, and that should fix your problem.